Hello, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jen.
I'm Doug.
And we're the Traveling Millers. And we just wanted to kind of do a little bit of an introduction to our video and let you know what's coming up in it. And this one we are driving
From just outside of Chena Hot Springs to down just past Denali, right?
Yeah, we're heading towards Anchorage.
We're heading toward Anchorage.
But we can't do the drive all in one day. It's pretty far, isn't it?
Yeah, we had a few stops along the way.
Yeah,
too,
so we stopped about halfway and stayed the night.
Yeah, right around there.
Yeah, so but what we did, we wanted to do is put out a little bit of a discretion on the video coming up. It does contain some adult humor. We stopped at a place and I edited out a lot of it because some of it was, I thought, too much for our channel. So, but I do want to put that out there that, you know, it is adult humor. So if you don't like that, you can just kind of skip through. But warning. So anyway, it is a lot of travel, the beautiful scenery again. And we hope you enjoy. Look at that.
All right, thanks, Joe. We'll talk to you later.
Did you read this sign, Doug?
Population youth.
Oh, I thought that was a real woman. I have to put a warning on this video.
Hold on. Look at the skinnies, guys. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Awesome.
Good.
Yeah, I got, yeah.
Do you serve lunch here or no? Chena River still. Can't do both at once. How you doing over there, babe?
Fighting.
Pretty windy today, isn't it?
It's really windy.
You're doing good.
Well, we ain't in a ditch, so that's positive.
At least it's pretty out.
It is that. Pretty windy.
Pretty windy. Oh, on our way to Anchorage, heading that direction. We won't make it there tonight, but we're just heading in that direction.
Should put a sail up.
Alright, we're going to stop at this rest area, give Doug's arms a rest from fighting this wind, and we're going to have some lunch. Yeah, make us some sandwiches. So, be back on the road here in just a little bit. Just some wave at these guys. Yeah, the one guy did.
Ice cream, glacier.
Oh, we have to go there.
Liquor. This sounds awesome.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, Doug is getting ready to try our yak steak. So he's gonna give us the first thoughts. We've never had yak before. Well, we had the yak summer sausage the other night and it was pretty good.
It was good.
So. Is it good?
It is kind of a, yeah, that's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
She said it was like kind of a more of a sweeter meat.
Yeah, it seems sweeter than most steaks. All you did is put a little seasoning on it.
Yeah, I just put that Montreal seasoning on it.
No, the meat is actually pretty sweet.
Is it tender?
Yeah. Tastes good.
We got the porterhouse, the yak porterhouse is what we got. We split it because it was pretty expensive. So
Yeah, it was.
but we wanted to try it. So
yeah, and I think Jen will like it too.
So you give it a thumbs up?
2.
2 thumbs up. All right. Cut it.
All right, now Jen is trying the yak porterhouse steak for the first time. See what she thinks.
All right, no sauce or anything, just by itself. That is good.
That was real good, ain't it?
Oh my gosh. It tastes like
Chicken?
tastes like chicken. No. Almost tastes like a roast.
Yeah.
Like a ribeye or something. That is really good.
Yeah, it is. It is. 2 thumbs up for there. Yak is an A+.
Yes. All right, this is where we're going to end this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy some of these pictures from our boondocking spot that night. It was beautiful. It was located right outside the Denali National Park. I hope you all tune in next time where we finish our drive into Anchorage and explore the area. Hope you all have a wonderful day and want to wish you all safe travels.